Hey guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Karishma, International Educational Consultant and an educationist, and in today's video I am going to unwind all the documents that a learner should be aware of if you are appearing for Cambridge IGCSE or Cambridge A-Levels examination. So this video is basically a discussion, a knowledge sharing on the right documents apart from only your syllabus and reference books that you should be using in your exam preparation, which will help you to ace your exam like a pro. So in this particular video, I am going to talk about 3 very important documents provided directly by Cambridge Assessment, which will clearly give you a very nice, clear guideline in preparing for your IGCSE or A-Levels Cambridge examinations. And at the end of the video, I am going to share a giveaway as a bonus for watching the video till the end and helping yourself to know more about your exam preparation strategies. So stay glued to the video till the end, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe and like button right away, because I'm 100% sure you are going to like this video. So let's get started with the video. So starting from the first very important document, that is your syllabus. You must have come across many reference books around in Cambridge, especially when you go to cambridge.org. That's the Cambridge official website. You will see that there are n number of books recommended for a particular subject. Now, as a student, instead of just flipping through so many books, you should be depending and to the core following your syllabus learning objectives. For example, if you are supposed to learn vectors law of parallelogram in a certain way, do it exactly in the same way, because exactly similar type of questions will be asked in the exam. Cambridge examiners or all Cambridge paper setters always make sure that the syllabus is followed to the core, and as far as my observation is concerned, also sometimes the chronological order is also followed from the syllabus itself. So stick to the syllabus, minutely go through each and every learning objective, make it as a checklist, and start putting a tick whichever objectives you are completing. This will help you to stay on track with respect to Cambridge exam prep, and most importantly save a lot of time in your preparation, because you do not have to do only 5 subjects. There are 8 subjects in general that you are preparing for Cambridge examination, and you need to be analyzing your energy and staying focused. Now, while I'm talking about staying focused, we are going to talk about another document provided by Cambridge, which is also designed only for Cambridge learners, and as the name says it, they are called as Learner's Guide. Now, for every subject, Cambridge has published a Learner's Guide. In Learner's Guide, you will get exemplar questions, exemplar answers. You will come across common errors done by the students. You will come across very important concepts like the weightage of the components. If you have seen my previous video on how Cambridge grades you in your IGCSE examination, you must be aware that Cambridge components carry some amount of weightage, and that also decides the weighing factor for marking you for the examination. So Learner's Guide is the one and only document which is going to help you in complete journey of your Cambridge IGCSE examination preparation. The best part about Learner's Guide is they have given you exemplar answers. They have also compared an A-star answer with a C grade answer, which will help you to mentally get into the zone of an examiner and identify how you should write an answer and what you shouldn't do while writing an answer. So this is something which will help you a lot. Before we move ahead with the video, I hope you have liked this video if you have stayed until now, and also check the links of all the documents that I'm talking about over here in the description below, and also in the pinned comment. Remember one thing, there are 70 plus subjects in Cambridge, so it is technically not possible for me to put down the Learner's Guide and the syllabus copies for every single subject. So what I have done is I have linked the sites below. You need to go and search for yourself, or the best way to do it, just go on Google and type what you want, you will get it. So it is not a big deal to figure out the documents. What is important that you should be aware of how to use these documents, and that brings me to the next important document, that is your examiner reports. Now, what are examiner reports? If you go to Cambridge website and if you check the last part of Cambridge, they always publish examiner report for every year. Now, these examiner reports help you to understand what type of questions were asked, what were the common mistakes by most of the students, what mistakes you should avoid, and this way it will eliminate the possibility of doing mistakes in your examination. This process has to be constantly done throughout the year because this process will basically help you to eliminate each and every silly tiny bit of mistakes that you are doing and helps you to get better scores. For example, it is important to follow the significant figures rule in your paper. In mathematics, you have to use 3 significant figures. In physics, you have to use 2 or 3 significant figures. But make sure whatever you start with, follow it till the end, because if you start with physics 2 significant figures, you have to make sure that you are following 2 significant figures for each and every question only for the final answer. Do not ever round off in between the answers. You will end up getting different answers. So always remember, you have to round off 2 significant figures only in the final answer. And now moving on to the bonus giveaway for this particular video. In the description and the pinned comment, I have linked free downloadable resources for Cambridge. So do not forget to go there and download it for yourself. This is definitely going to help you in your Cambridge preparation. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you would want to watch more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also stay tuned to my Instagram and LinkedIn pages, wherein I make sure I try uploading a lot of information as an exam preparation tip, which generally it's not possible to upload on YouTube. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.